So hey everyone, in this video we will see how to reset Hotpoint Dishwasher. Control reset, error clear and restart. So how to reset Hotpoint Dishwasher? Turn on the Hotpoint Dishwasher and press start reset for about 3 to 5 seconds to cancel the current cycle. Wait for the dishwasher to drain and the lights to stop flashing, which clears most temporary errors. Select a new wash program and appear start again to restart the dishwasher. Fix 1. Basic reset. Open the dishwasher door so you can access the control panel. Locate the power or start button on the control panel or if your Hotpoint dishwasher. Press and hold the start or power button for about 3 to 5 seconds. Release the button when the indicator light blinks or the dishwasher beeps. Close the door and wait about 1 to 2 minutes while the dishwasher drains water and cancel the current cycle. When the lights stop blinking, select a new wash cycle and start again. How this helps resolve error? Clear temporary control panel error caused by interrupted cycles. Stops a stuck program if the dishwasher froze mid-cycle. Reset electronic command stored in the dishwasher control board. Drains leftover water which remove error state related to unfinished cycle. Second fix is power reset. Turn off the dishwasher. Unplug the dishwasher from the wall outlet. If it is hardwired, turn off the circuit breaker supplying power. Wait for 5 to 10 minutes, plug the dishwasher back in, or turn the breaker on again. Turn on the dishwasher and start a new cycle. It reboots the internal control board, similar to restarting a computer. Clear software glitches or memory errors. Fix third is cancel a running cycle. Press the start or reset button once, close the door, the dishwasher will activate the drain pump for 60 to 90 seconds. Wait until the machine stops draining and light reset. Choose a new wash cycle if needed. How this helps resolve error? Cancel incorrectly selected cycle, remove standing water from the tub which can trigger safety errors. Restart the system so the dishwasher can run a fresh program without conflict. Fourth fix is reset to clear error codes. If your dishwasher is showing flashing lights or an error code, press and hold start or reset for 5 seconds. The machine should cancel the current cycle and drain. Wait until the pump stops, turn the dishwasher off for 1 minute, then back on. If the error returns, the reset worked but a real faulty may still exist. Thank you.